Welcome to our review of the Boult Audio Loop 2. Today, we'll take a closer look at whether this upgrade is worth it for you. The Boult Audio Loop 2 offers an improved sound quality compared to its predecessor, with deep bass and clear highs for an immersive listening experience. The design of the Loop 2 is sleek and comfortable, perfect for extended wear without any discomfort. The earbuds are also sweat-proof, making them ideal for workouts or outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the Loop 2 is its long battery life, giving you up to 12 hours of playback time on a single charge. This means you can enjoy your music all day without worrying about constantly recharging. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality pair of wireless earbuds, the Boult Audio Loop 2 is definitely worth the upgrade. With its impressive sound, comfortable design, and long battery life, it's a great choice for music lovers on the go. Thanks for watching our review of the Boult Audio Loop 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations.